Have you ever wondered if the machines around you could think and learn like you do? This question, once just the stuff of science fiction, has become a very real topic of discussion in our modern world, thanks to the advent of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. So, what exactly is AI? At its core, artificial intelligence is the ability of machines or computer programs to mimic and even surpass human intelligence. It's about creating algorithms or sets of rules that allow these machines to learn from the data they process and make decisions based on that learning. But don't let your imagination run wild with images of robots taking over the world just yet. AI isn't just about creating humanoid robots, it's also about developing sophisticated software systems that can learn and make decisions. Let's take your smartphone for example. Every time you ask Siri or Google Assistant a question, you are interacting with AI. These voice-activated assistants use AI to understand your speech, find the information you're looking for, and respond to you in a natural, human-like way. And how about those movie recommendations you get on Netflix or music suggestions on Spotify? Yep, that's AI too. These platforms use AI algorithms to analyze your viewing or listening habits, and then recommend content that you might like. Even in areas like healthcare, AI is making its presence felt. AI-powered systems are being used to analyze medical images, predict disease progression, and even assist in surgeries. The beauty of AI is that it's not limited to any one field. It can be used anywhere and everywhere, from powering self-driving cars to predicting stock market trends, from improving customer service to enhancing cybersecurity. So, in essence, AI is about creating smart machines that can think and learn like us. But remember, these machines are only as smart as the data they're fed. So, while AI holds immense promise, it also comes with a hefty responsibility. We need to ensure that we're using it wisely and ethically. Because at the end of the day, the goal of AI is not to replace humans but to augment our abilities and make our lives better. Now, you may ask, where do we see AI in our daily lives? Well, AI has woven itself so seamlessly into the fabric of our everyday existence that we often don't realize when we're interacting with it. Let's take a dive into the realm of our daily encounters with artificial intelligence. Consider Siri, Apple's virtual assistant. She's not just a robotic voice responding to your request for weather updates or the latest sports scores. In fact, Siri is a sophisticated AI system, capable of understanding and learning from human language. She uses machine learning algorithms to continuously improve her understanding of your requests, making your interactions more efficient and personalized over time. Then we have Alexa, Amazon's virtual assistant, who is also a manifestation of AI. Alexa learns from your interactions, your preferences in music, the products you buy, and even the way you phrase your requests. All of this data is processed to make your experience with Alexa more intuitive and personalized. How about Google Maps? Ever wondered how it predicts traffic and suggests the fastest route to your destination? That's AI at work. Google Maps uses machine learning to analyze the speed of traffic along different routes in real time. It then uses this information to predict future traffic patterns and suggest the best route for you. And let's not forget Netflix. The recommendations you see on your screen aren't random. They're the result of complex AI algorithms analyzing your viewing habits, comparing them with those of millions of other users, and predicting what you might like to watch next. Each of these examples highlights how AI learns from user interactions, constantly improving and refining its predictions and recommendations. This learning process, known as machine learning, is a key element of AI, and it's what allows these systems to become more effective and personalized over time. From our smartphones to our TV screens, AI is silently revolutionizing the way we live and interact. So next time you ask Siri a question or get a movie recommendation from Netflix, remember you're not just interacting with a machine, you're engaging with a sophisticated AI system that's continuously learning and improving from its interactions with you. Right, we've established that AI is around us and that it learns much like a child, but you might be wondering, how is AI being used in real-world applications? Let's take a closer look. From healthcare to entertainment, transportation to finance, AI is revolutionizing industries across the board. In healthcare, AI is being used to predict disease outbreaks, personalize treatment plans, and even assist in surgeries. In entertainment, AI is behind the personalized recommendations you receive on platforms like Netflix or Spotify. In transportation, AI is driving the development of autonomous vehicles and optimizing logistics. In finance, AI is used for fraud detection, credit scoring, and robo-advising. But that's not all. AI is also being used in agriculture to predict crop yields. in education to personalize learning, and in energy to optimize power consumption. The possibilities are endless. What's truly fascinating is how these AI systems are not just performing tasks but learning and improving over time. They're not static programs but dynamic systems that evolve with each interaction. So the next time you see a recommendation on Netflix or ask Siri a question, remember you're not just interacting with a program, you're interacting with a learning, evolving system that's constantly improving to serve you better. That's the power of AI in action. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the world of AI, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Also, we'd love to hear your thoughts on artificial intelligence in the comments section below. But how do these machines actually learn? Well, to answer that, we need to delve into a fascinating subset of AI known as machine learning. Picture this: a young toddler, full of curiosity, is learning to recognize objects. An apple is presented. The first time, the child might not know what it is. But as the parent repeats the word apple and points to the fruit, the child starts making a connection. Over time, with more exposure and repetition, the child learns to recognize an apple. Now let's apply this to machines. Machine learning operates on a similar principle. Instead of apples and oranges, machines are fed with data. Lots and lots of data. The machine, just like the toddler, doesn't understand this data initially. But with the help of algorithms, which are like the parents in our analogy, the machine begins to learn. These algorithms guide the machine to recognize patterns, to understand relationships within the data. Over time, with more data and fine-tuning, the machine gets better at making accurate predictions or decisions based on what it has learned. So, just as a child learns to distinguish an apple from an orange, a machine can learn to distinguish spam emails from legitimate ones, or recognize your face among a crowd. And it's not just about recognition. Machine learning can help predict future trends like stock market movements, or identify anomalies like fraudulent credit card transactions. And here's the cool part: these machines can learn from their mistakes. If a prediction or decision is wrong, the algorithms adjust themselves, tweaking the machine's knowledge. The next time a similar situation arises, the machine is less likely to err. It's a continuous process of learning and refining, all driven by data. So when we talk about machines learning, it's not in the human sense. There's no consciousness or understanding involved. It's a process of pattern recognition, prediction, and decision-making, all powered by data and algorithms. Just like a child learning from experience, machines too learn from the data we feed them. So, what does the future hold for AI? The future of artificial intelligence is as vast and varied as our imaginations. It holds the potential to revolutionize countless sectors, from healthcare to transportation, entertainment, and beyond. Imagine a world where AI aids doctors in diagnosing diseases, even before symptoms are evident, or helps in developing personalized treatment plans based on an individual's genome. It could mean a future where early detection and precision medicine become the norm, not the exception. In transportation, autonomous vehicles are just the beginning. AI could streamline logistics, making our deliveries quicker and more efficient, and even assist in designing safer, smarter cities. The entertainment industry too stands to gain immensely. From creating hyper-realistic virtual reality experiences to curating personalized content, the possibilities are endless. But as we hurtle towards this AI-powered future, it's crucial that we also consider the challenges and ethical issues that come with it. How do we ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased? How do we protect privacy in a world where data is the new oil? And how do we prevent the misuse of AI in ways that could harm society? These are not easy questions, and the answers will require ongoing dialogue, rigorous oversight, and robust legal frameworks. At the same time, it's important to remember that, like any tool, AI in itself is neither good nor bad. It's how we use it that matters. Moreover, as AI continues to advance, it will be crucial to focus on education and training. The workforce of the future will need to adapt, acquiring new skills to work alongside these intelligent machines. This is not just a challenge, but an opportunity to create more meaningful and fulfilling work. In the end, the future of AI is a shared responsibility. It's up to us, the innovators, policymakers, and society at large, to navigate this journey together, ensuring that AI serves the common good and helps us build a brighter, more equitable future. AI has the potential to transform our future, but it also brings with it its own set of challenges. How does AI affect you and me? A common question, and one that carries with it a multitude of answers. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a concept or a buzzword. It's a reality, an ever-present factor in our daily lives. It's the silent assistant that helps you find the quickest route home, the invisible hand that curates your personalized music playlist, and the unseen analyst that predicts your shopping habits. AI isn't just about convenience, though. It's also about efficiency. It's about job automation, where tasks that once required human hands and minds are now performed by machines and algorithms. From assembly lines to customer service, AI is transforming the workforce, making businesses more productive, but also raising important questions about job displacement and the future of work. AI is also about personalization. It's about using your data to tailor your experiences, whether it's suggesting a movie you might like, recommending a restaurant based on your preferences, or even predicting your health risks. This level of personalization can be both helpful and intrusive, highlighting the need for careful management and regulation of AI. AI's impact extends beyond individuals. It's changing society as a whole. It's improving healthcare by aiding in diagnoses and treatment plans. It's enhancing education through personalized learning. It's even helping to tackle global challenges like climate change and poverty by providing insights and solutions that were previously unimaginable. But AI is also a double-edged sword. With its benefits come potential risks. Issues like privacy, security, and the ethical use of AI are all pressing concerns. It's crucial then that we understand AI, that we learn how to use it responsibly, and that we implement regulations to ensure it's used for the benefit of all. Whether we realize it or not, AI is here to stay, and it is reshaping our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. As we move forward, it's up to us to shape that world in a way that reflects our values, our needs, and our hopes for the future. AI's journey doesn't end here. It's an ever-evolving frontier, and we're all explorers charting this brave new world. But exploration isn't a solo endeavor. It requires conversation, collaboration, and a shared sense of curiosity. That's where you come in. We want to hear from you. Subscribe to this channel and join the discussion. What do you think about AI? How do you see it impacting your life, your work, your future? Leave a comment below and let's start a conversation. Like this video if you found it informative and interesting, but don't stop there. Share it with others. AI affects us all, and the more people understand it, the better equipped we'll be to navigate its challenges and harness its opportunities. So let's learn together. Let's explore together. Let's shape the future of AI together.